Every summer, mow looks like responsible care, but each pass is raising soil temperatures by 10 degrees, draining moisture, and silently destroying a living world beneath the blades. The real damage isn't what you see, it's everything you don't. On a bright Saturday afternoon, pushing the mower across a dry yard feels like the ultimate act of responsible homeownership. The clean, uniform stripes look tidy, sharp, and intentional. But beneath this aesthetic triumph lies a biological boundary. When the blades slice the grass below the 3-inch line, the protective cover begins to disappear. The lawn is no longer a green carpet, it is a living organism suddenly stripped of its shield. The real issue is not the act of mowing itself, but cutting too low during the heat of summer. Raising the height to a taller 3.5 to 4-inch target changes everything, turning a weekly routine into a simple shield for the entire yard. Slicing the turf below 3 inches removes the protective canopy, exposing the soil directly to the intense summer sun. Without this green shield, the lawn loses its ability to moderate its own microclimate. Precise measurements reveal that stripping away this cover can raise soil temperatures by up to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. This sudden heat spike accelerates evaporation, pulling moisture rapidly out of the earth. In contrast, keeping grass taller preserves a cooling shade layer, reducing water loss through soil evaporation by up to 30%. Once the protective canopy is gone, a compounding loop begins. Bare ground absorbs more solar heat, the soil bakes, and the remaining moisture vanishes. What looked like a clean, orderly trim actually leaves the soil vulnerable, turning a simple cosmetic chore into an environmental challenge of heat and dehydration. The ground is quietly paying a heavy price for that manicured look. Grass is not just a surface. Every single blade is an active solar panel. These green leaves capture sunlight to produce vital energy. Through photosynthesis, the plant manufactures sugars that fuel daily growth and build up essential carbohydrate reserves in the crown, the heart of the organism situated just at the soil line. But when a mower shears off more than 1/3 of the leaf in a single pass, this delicate energetic balance breaks down. Severed from its primary energy source, the grass experiences a sudden metabolic shock, forcing it to make a desperate survival trade-off. Instead of expanding its root system further down into the earth to find water, the plant must immediately drain its stored crown reserves to rebuild the lost canopy. Under the unyielding pressure of repeated low cuts, this constant recovery cycle starves the root system below. What remains is a lawn with shallow, fragile roots, trapped in a metabolic deficit during the very season it needs its strength the most. When a lawn turns brown under the summer sun, the natural instinct is to panic, assuming the grass has died. But this dry, golden shade is actually a shield. It is dormancy, a survival response where the plant shuts down its blades to protect the crown, the delicate heart residing just at the soil line. Research shows drought-dormant grass can survive 3 to 4 weeks without water. However, dragging heavy mower blades over this sleeping turf changes the equation. The physical stress of the machine can crush the crown, turning temporary hibernation into permanent death. With the protective turf shattered, aggressive weeds quickly seize the bare, weakened ground. In this fragile moment, the search for a tidy aesthetic becomes a destructive force. A lawn is not an isolated green carpet, it is a shared, living habitat. Just beneath the surface, in the top 2 inches of soil, trillions of microorganisms drive the nutrient cycle, but repeated mowing stress easily shatters this delicate community. Nearby, solitary ground-nesting bees build tiny 1/4-inch burrows in the earth, relying on quiet, undisturbed patches of turf that heavy mowers constantly flatten. Even the discarded grass clippings play a vital role, containing 4% nitrogen to naturally return 1/4 of the lawn's annual nutrient needs. What looked like a simple, orderly haircut is actually a profound disruption to an entire living system. Breaking the cycle begins by stopping the weekly mowing reflex. Instead of chasing a shaved carpet, simply raise the mower deck. Leave the nutrient-rich clippings on the ground to feed the soil naturally. When the heat intensifies and the turf turns golden, turn off the engine and let the lawn rest. You can even leave a small, untouched corner as a sanctuary for native pollinators. Smarter care means reducing interference, stepping back, and trusting the turf's natural defenses. Your lawn already knows how to protect itself. Let it. True stewardship means stepping back and trusting the natural world. Your lawn already knows how to protect itself. Let it.